We want to introduce ourselves first. Andra?
Okay, my name is Rizkandra Imansyah from Industrial Engineering Department.
My name is Muhammad Rinaldi Suryanto. I'm from Industrial Engineering.
My name is Fauzan Ardi. I'm from Industrial Engineering.
First, we want to discuss about COVID-19 itself. COVID-19 or coronavirus is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. This disease was first identified in 2019 in Wuhan, the capital of Hubei, China, and has since spread globally very fast. Until now, already 195 nations and 400,000 cases worldwide. And then in Indonesia, next slide, please. In Indonesia, first case of coronavirus occurred in early March at Depok. Until 18 March, have occurred 41 confirmed cases. The government anticipate this disease with hashtag di rumah aja, or government want public to do social distancing and stay home and stay at home for unspecified time, because the social distancing many aspects of this country are affected, like economy aspect.
Okay, and then the coronavirus impact in Indonesia. Yeah, as we know, coronavirus has a big impact in Indonesia. Any industrial sector is getting worse affected by coronavirus, like food and beverage industry, mining industry, etc. And then one of the example of coronavirus impact is export and import. On January 2020, Indonesia's exports were recorded at $13 billion, decreased by 7% compared to the December 2019. When compared to January 2019, the exports sector also decreased by 3%. Meanwhile, from the import side, it was recorded at $14 billion, decreased by 1% or US 231 million. And then the production is stopped due to lack of raw materials. And then next slide. Yeah, and then the other impact of coronavirus in Indonesia is stocks atau saham. Till Wednesday, 11 March 2020, indeks harga saham gabungan or IHSG is decreased 21% since earlier. Bank Indonesia losing 40 trillion from foreign capital flows. From stocks, Bank Indonesia is losing 4 trillion, mainly occur in February and March 2020 after the coronavirus spread outside China. And then the IHSG is corrected by 4% or 210 points. This is the lowest level since June 28, 2016. The entire sector appears to have experienced a weakening, especially as basic industry -7%, agriculture -4%, financial 4%, and mining 4%.
At the end of it, it all leads to the national currency weakening. Why it happens? Because the investors' behavior change and they tend to sell off their investment. Um, but after the situation gets better, they will tend for buying again and again, and we don't know when it is. As you can see, now at last updated March 27, 2020, the rupiah exchange value to US dollar has increased by $16,170 rupiah per $1. And this is the worst chart since the past 5 years. And it also affects the industry such the big industry or even the small industries or home industries. And in conclusion, coronavirus is a widely spread virus that originates from Wuhan, China, and because of it, many aspects suffer some downgrade, such as the industrial aspect. It also affects the export and import, and then the stocks, and then it all leads to the national currency weakening. We also have to follow the procedure made by the government by di rumah aja or stay at
Stay at
home
home.
movement. Okay, Andrea, stay at home movement, and then
Yeah.
uh, that's all that we can say. For the mistakes, we are truly sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
Wassalamualaikum
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Stay safe, y'all. Keep your
Stay
health.
at home. Okay.